What's up, Peak Timers? Another case unboxing, and this time we got the 2020 Hot Wheels F case. Let's go ahead and pop it open and see what's inside. This video has been brought to you by granatoys.com. The most asked question I get on Peak Time Racing is, where do I purchase my Hot Wheels cases? And it's at Grana Toys. Grana Toys offers a full line of mainline and premium Hot Wheels, as well as Greenlight, Matchbox, Disney cars, Johnny Lightning, and M2 machines. Check them out at www.granatoys.com, or also check them out on their eBay. There'll be links in the description box below. And of course, we'll start right on the top right here. Let's see what we've got for our first three cars. We've got the Audi RS5 Coupe, that new colorway, the I Believe, and the Land Rover Series 3 pickup. That looks like a new color variation of it. Looks really, really neat. I do like that one. Put those aside. We'll see what else we have up top here. Another one of the I Believes, a Runway Rescue, and the Nissan Silvia S13. That's a pretty neat looking casting. And next up, we've got the Turbone Charge, new colorway, Carbonator, and the 88 Honda CRX. I like that casting, looks really neat. And next up, we've got, looks like a new colorway of the wheelie chair. We've got the Geo Terra, and there is that Range Rover Velar, black one. Very, very nice looking casting. I love that. One of my favorite castings, the Range Rover Velar. Tooligan, we've got the La Fasta, and ooh, check this one out. This one is that new Thomas the Train Locomotorin. Check it out. There's a little Thomas guy in the front end of that. That's a neat casting. Can't wait to open that one up. We will in a future video. And we've got the Baja Truck. I like this casting. And there is the Mattel Dreammobile. This is a brand new casting. Check that one out. We saw a lot of concept pictures of that one. Now we've got it in person, and we will open that one up on our future video. And there is the Baja Truck again, another one of those. And we've got the 69 Chevelle, the Tesla Model 3, love that casting, and the La Fasta. And after that, we've got 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback, almost stuttered there. The Baja Truck again, and the Fished and Chipped. Great looking artwork on there. And after that, we've got the Subaru Impreza WRX STI variation. Great looking colorway of that. The Mazda RX-7, that's a nice looking new recolor, and the Donut Drifter. And down at the bottom, getting closer to the bottom here, Diaper Dragger. There's Diaper Dragger. It's a girl, it says on the side of it. I think there was one that says it's a boy, the blue one. So there you go. You can have a little surprise party announcements if you want with the Hot Wheels. Tesla Model 3 and the Aisle Driver. And getting close down to the bottom, Road Bandit, new color variation. This one was a fairly popular casting released earlier in the year. And then we've got the 2005 Ford Mustang GT and a Runway Rescue, another one of those. And on the bottom of the first half, our last three on the bottom here, another Fished and Chipped, and the Hot Wheels Warp Speeder, and the Honda Monkey Z50 or Z50. There you go. And let's go on to the bottom right here. We'll see what we have down at the top. We'll reach here, we'll grab some cars. And the Indy Oval, new color variation. Check out the wheels on that. Definitely some different wheels we haven't seen on the Indy Oval before. I love the Indy Oval. It's one of my favorite castings. Grupo X24 and the Land Rover Series 3 pickup. There's that new color variation of it. And grab some more up top right here. We've got, ooh, wow, look at that one. The Volkswagen Baja Bug. That's a new color variation. That's a cool looking casting. Wow, that's so neat. There's Mod Rod, one of the neat new ones released last year, and the 2018 Copo Camaro SS, new color variation of that one. We'll start on this side here. And High Tech Missile, the Clip Rod. Okay, that's a very different one. Check that out. Okay, that's going to be an interesting one to open. I don't know much about the Clip Rod. If you guys know anything about that, what it does and stuff, comment down below, let me know. And we'll open it up though in the future. Roger Dodger. It's a nice new color variation of that one. And what do we have on top? Ooh, 87 Dodge D100 K&N edition. That's a new colorway. The Time Ataxi and another mod rod. All right, and we've got the El Viento, the 49 Ford F1. That's a new color variation, and Chill Mill. Check out Chill Mill. There we go. And what else do we have? Up top right there, let's grab some. Oh, there we go, dropping cars. I know some of you guys commented on my previous video saying it's not an unboxing case video by Peak Time Racing unless you drop cars, so there we go, I've already dropped some. The Circle Tracker, the Quick Bites, and the 49 Ford F1. And the cars that I dropped down here. The Batmobile, there we go, nice. The 95 Mazda RX-7, new color variation. It says Mazda Speed on the side, that's cool. And then there's another one of the Quick Bites Ice Cream Edition. And there's another one of the Xpera Motors Edition Clip Rod. Again, not 100% sure what it does, but we'll have to open it up in a future video and find out. And the 69 Cheval, the 1970 Volkswagen Baja Bug. There's that cool variation of it. And we've got the 88 Honda CRX Range Rover Velar and the 64 Chevy Impala. All right, getting down to the bottom, getting closer to the bottom here. El Viento, there's El Viento, and the Formula E Gen 2 car. So Formula E, so they've got the all-electric cars, so that's a really cool one. I like Formula E cars. Very neat that we're getting some of those now to the Hot Wheels lineup. Octane, new color variation of Octane. And we are on the near bottom row here. Geoterra, Octane, and the Locomotrin, the new Thomas the Train variation. So that's another one of those from this case. And we get to the very bottom, our last three cars. Formula E Gen 2, another one of those. The Audi RS5 Coupe, and the Circle Tracker. All right, let's get to the highlights of this case. 2020 Hot Wheels F case highlights. We'll start it off with the two race cars that were included. The Indy 500 Oval, and that's a new pink colored variation with new different wheels that we have not seen before. Really like that casting. And then the brand new Formula E Gen 2 car. So we've got some Formula E cars now coming to the Hot Wheels lineup. That's a very cool new casting. And next up, we've got the 1970 Volkswagen Baja Bug tuned variation in white. I like this casting. I think it's just such a fun looking casting. So there you go. And then this one, which we've been seeing a lot of pictures of online, and we finally get it in person. It is the brand new Locomotrin, and this one is a Thomas the Train car. You can see Thomas on there, new for 2020. Thomas and Friends, it even says right up top there. So very cool. So I wonder if we're gonna get some more Thomas the Train vehicles to the Hot Wheels lineup. It's kind of an interesting thing to see. Trains coming to Hot Wheels. Then we've got the Mazda RX-7, new color variation. I can't remember actually if this came in the last case or not. I don't think it did, but I really like that casting. And then we've got the clip rod, and I read up a little bit on the clip rod, so I know a little bit what it does. This is essentially this part right here that has the Hot Wheels logo on there. It is a clip that you can use to put on a piece of paper. You can close a bag of chips and stuff like that. It actually read the back of it, so you can see right there. So now you can have a car that is attached to you as you are to it. The Speedster comes on its own built-in Hot Wheels flame clip, so you can put it on a backpack, lanyard, or even a bag of chips in case you need to snack and roll. So very interesting. So we will open this one up in a future video, so stay tuned for that. But that one will make the case highlights as well. And I will let you guys know I did not include cars like the new Range Rover Velar, the Tesla Model 3, cars like that, because we've seen those in previous cases. So even though those ones are really cool cars to this case, I didn't include them in the case highlights because they're not new to the case. So there you go, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you like the 2020 Hot Wheels F case. And don't forget, if you want to pick one up, check out granitoys.com. Link in the description box below. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.